Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to pair your AMAZFIT Up earbuds with your iPhone. At first you need to open the case lid and put both earbuds into the case, but of course in the correct order. Now when they are in, you need to open the settings on your iPhone, go to Bluetooth, and now on your device you should see this little circle button. You have to hold it for 2 seconds until you see this LED light pulsing and AMAZFIT Up in the devices list. Tap AMAZFIT Up in the devices list, and now we're connected and paired. That's everything. Goodbye.